Hello, in front of me I've got Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how safe this car is. Euro NCAP gave the Kia Ceed II 5 stars with 89% adult, 88% child, 61% pedestrian and 86% safety assist. In standard, this car has 6 airbags, ESC, ABS with brake assist, ISOFIX on outer rear seats, front passenger airbag deactivation. In test, the structure stayed stable. It scored maximum points in the side barrier test and provided good and adequate protection in most areas. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.